Right now on Jamaica News Page tonight.
Ride and die with the police, them. Me a ride and die with the police, them. Me not afraid when me a talk, me a ride and die if you kill me. You will take away my belly pain. 3-year-old on the father bed asleep with him brother. What a you?
Heartbreak in Denham town. A 3-year-old boy killed, his 8-year-old brother and their father wounded after an early morning gun attack. Tonight, with extended coverage, emotional reactions from the scene, response from social media influencer Kasha, the persons of interest named, and the reward being offered by MP Desmond McKenzie for information leading to those responsible. Welcome or welcome back to Jamaica News Page tonight, news that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And we're powered by viewers just like you. We've got special rewards just for you. When you become a Jamaica News Page member, you'll unlock these special rewards you love, including a loyalty badge next to your name in the comments, shoutouts for your birthday, anniversaries, other special moments, and just so much more. Joining is easy. Just click subscribe, then click join, and choose to become a Full Star or Full Elite member right now. That's it, simple and quick. A link to join has been posted in the comments. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining us, Vilma Gordon P4B. Jamaica News Page tonight starts right now. We begin in West Kingston, where a tragic gun attack has left a community in mourning tonight. A 3-year-old boy has been killed and 2 others, including his 8-year-old brother, injured following a gun attack at their home along Nelson Street in Denham town.
Crazy. Denham town people, Nelson Street. The people are crying this morning for a 3-year-old boy who was executed by gunmen in his house.
Them wicked every day.
You know, this we need my outrage, man.
The child has been identified as Pinnock, otherwise called Jase or Zaza.
Me a ride and die with the police, them. Me a ride and die with the police, them. Me not afraid when me a talk, me a ride and die if you kill me. You will take away my belly pain. 3-year-old on the father bed asleep with him brother. What a you?
Jamaica News Page understands that sometime after 1 a.m., gunmen reportedly went to the premises, which also houses a business establishment, posing as customers before opening fire on the occupants. When the shooting subsided, the toddler, his brother, and their 31-year-old father were found suffering from gunshot wounds. They were taken to hospital where Zaylen was pronounced dead, while the others were admitted for treatment.
They are work. I'm gonna get the car. When I get the car, I'm gonna run off of my work. When I look, I see my baby father lie down on the ground round the sun. And I end up rushing my baby father, go out in public with him. When I look, I see emergency a come. When I look, I see I'm a 3-year-old. They look after we all me and cry. The nurse said, "Mother, just take it easy and try." I couldn't manage, me end up come out. When I come out on the outside, when I look at me 8-year-old, I come in a car again. Father and 2 sons. And then never 6-year-old sit there on the bed. When this 3-year-old and the 8-year-old. I don't know how I'm gonna say. In the house to shoot and go. And them have to kill me.
This is wickedness in the community. This is a 3-year-old.
How do you feel about the incident, ma'am?
I am distraught. This is a wickedness. This is totally wickedness. It could have happened in my household. Or any other household. It could have any doorstep. It is wicked. Me against this totally. And the killer must be brought to justice.
It is interesting because, you know, I'm happy that the people are talking.
Not play on the mind game, but play on the game. We don't want to play a game, we don't know, man. And Lord, the innocent people them out of this. That look a 3-year-old, I'm going to see a man run, go hug up him baby, I'm going to fire shot and kill the baby and shoot the man, see him on the couldn't to see him and where him do so. And him not doing a murder.
And he's a shopkeeper, right?
He's a shopkeeper. Where me got trust when me ready. When me ready, me got trust. Get me ready, that snacks my people, me got trust.
All right, and you know the child too?
Yeah, I used to them there right so with me, with that little one I'm puzzled. See sweetie there him give me. I look back at sweetie, I look what him give me yesterday. This. Him come give me yesterday. This. Him come right here, so me I say, holy, I'm skin with him all. Him only for him young and me I talk to him. A wickedness this, me distract. This is too much. This is too much. The community can't breathe. The community, the business, the livelihood, the community again. These people are the business can't wait and them. Hey, church.
But tell me something. Was there any tension in the community before? Was there any tension?
Wednesday shooting one.
Shooting on Wednesday? Anybody got injured?
Tensions escalated in the community following the incident. Residents blocked sections of the roadway and set debris ablaze in protest, expressing outrage over the killing of a child.
You understand? But I can't have my police officer focusing on blocking the road while I need to do operational response to the incident that occurred last night. Right? Yes, and that's why I want you to cooperate with the police.
Two counselors there with him not tell me block the road, him and tell me organize the door, but we can't go in now.
And as we said, I don't want anybody blocking the road because my responsibility to you is that I cannot. If you block the road, I have to spend all my resources on blocking of the road.
We're not blocking for us, sir.
You understand? So I don't want that. I don't want that.
We're not blocking it, sir. We're not blocking it.
I don't want that. So let us work together to find a solution to the problem. I agree with you because I understand a 3-year-old was killed. It is sad.
Very sad.
But it also speaks volume to the fact that we as a community only feel the pain when it happens to somebody we love. This thing has been happening for years. Nobody within this community, all of you here, will understand that some issues happen. What we want is for you to realize that you are the solution to the problem. You know the man that sleep with some, that is your sister, that is your brother, that is your cousin, that is your uncle, that is your boyfriend, that are involved in these criminal activities. You need to work with us to make Denham Town a safer place. That is my desire. That I don't lose a citizen by the gun or by any other means. So we are working with you. But you cannot take my resources from operating within the zone to be standing at a fire. We are following all the leads we have. And we are going to do our best. We're going to do everything within our power to ensure that justice is served and that a young child death is not in vain. But please, I beg your cooperation. That's what I'm asking for. No blocking of the road. No burden of debris in the road. Allow my police to operate in this space.
Head of the Area 4 Police Assistant Commissioner Michael Phipps said the incident is believed to be gang-related.
We are theorizing based on our preliminary information that this particular incident is stemming from what we want to refer to at this time as a resurgence of some gang activities within the Denham Town community. We believe at the center of this problem exists gang rivalry for control of turf. The Denham Town space has been fairly quiet for a pretty good long while, and we were able to, through our efforts, do a number of intervention work within the communities and establish some peace. We see where this have been shattered with the recent shooting and killing of this 3-year-old. We will be going into the area to try and ascertain exactly what may have transpired, but we do know that our early information is suggesting gang rivalry.
The Assistant Commissioner has named 2 persons of interest, Juby and Rumi, and is urging them to surrender immediately.
We are directing that these persons turn themselves into the Denham Town CIB within 24 hours. We will be going into the community to do a number of operational responses, and of course the area has been under curfew, 48 hours curfew established by the Joint Commanders since Thursday of this week. We will be continuing our efforts, which will be aimed at basically stabilizing the community and ensuring that peace and tranquility is restored.
Meanwhile, West Kingston Member of Parliament Desmond McKenzie has strongly condemned the attack, describing it as a wicked act of violence. Speaking on behalf of Mr. McKenzie, Government Senator Apka Fitz-Henley said the MP is offering a $600,000 reward to anyone who gives credible information to law enforcement.
I spoke to the West Kingston MP this morning, and he is particularly disappointed and angry at the turn of events that led to this shooting. The Member of Parliament is expressing condolences to the family of the child who has lost his life and is hoping for the best concerning the other 2 people who were injured. The MP has also moved to offer a $600,000 reward for anyone who has credible information that may lead to the arrest and charge of the perpetrator or perpetrators of this dastardly act.
West Kingston resident and social media influencer Kesha has also condemned the attack, raising concerns about safety and the impact of violence on children in her community.
I have 3 boy pitney in a Kirk right. And I tell her this publicly, I looking at the camera. I tell my 3 sons them this. Anyone on the purpose no corner boy, I call the police. And I say, officer, pick up that one here, my one. Me not have to tell him nothing else. I say, officer, rather feed him than bury him. Because who the same when I come feed. Me, I make my son know. So Kirkright, this is a very dent in the community. If you pass later, your car alone a drive. Nobody not drive, nobody, all the dog them a run for cover. Right now, West Kingston under strong pain. It's a baby that 3-year-old, a baby that not live no life.
Thank you.
And if a stoppage not put to this, we are going to lose more. Because revenge at heart. Them baby they could have family, we have family and then the police do not know. And you say a man do it, revenge is at heart. Me can't talk anything but me no know. But for a girl we live in a West Kingston I go 40 years that area, revenge is at heart. So where we can do no uncle no pray.
As a reminder, a $600,000 reward remains in place for credible information. You may submit tips online at crimestop.org, call 311-119, or even contact your nearest police station. Up to news time, we have not received a statement from the Ministry of Education. We'll of course bring you that response as soon as it becomes available. Stay with Jamaica News Page for continuing updates on this developing story. And that's the news on Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And we're powered by viewers just like you. We've got special rewards just for you. When you become a Jamaica News Page member, you'll unlock these special rewards you love, including a loyalty badge next to your name in the comments, shoutouts for your birthday, anniversaries, other special moments, and just so much more. Joining is easy. Just click subscribe, then click join, and choose to become a Full Star or Full Elite member right now. That's it, simple and quick. A link to join has been posted in the comments. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining us, Vilma Gordon P4B, and also thank you for watching Jamaica News Page tonight. We'll see you in the comments, and be sure to join us again for more news. From all of us here, good night.